Hello guys. Today I wanted to show you guys how to navigate through an interactive tool that is used in my field of higher education, which is residence life. I work for residence life and I help out with the management of the residence halls and the new students who are moving in and the students who are returning. And I found an interactive tool by Notre College, which I thought was very important to new students coming in into residence halls, and especially those that who have roommates that they haven't met before. Now, this interactive tool, what it is, it's a floor planner that Notre College has designed for students who don't know what the layout of the residence hall is going to be, or who are unaware of what items they want to bring, or what their roommates is bringing, or the space size. So I'll show you through how to get through the website and how to use it. Now, when you come to Notre Dame's College page, and you go to the Residence Life page, and you scroll down to the second paragraph, you see a clickable link titled ResPlanner, Notre Dame College. If you click it, there will be a little interactive window that pops up. Now, what I like about this is that it's so easy to use and it gives you the standard layout of the residence hall floor plan. As you can see, they have two bedrooms side by side, and the bedrooms are connected with a bathroom in the middle. Now, what I like about this is that you have the option to move the bed. If you click on any item, you can click it and you can move it anywhere you would like. And this is very important because especially freshman students, when they come into the residence hall, they don't know what to expect. They don't know if there's a dresser, which is this, a desk, a chair, or how it's positioned. So what can happen is, for example, let's say a student prefers to sleep closer to the door. What they can do is you can move this chair to the side, and you can place the bed over here, and by clicking this arrows here, you can flip the bed angle to the way you want it to be, and you can move things around. So if you prefer to have your desk and have more space, you don't want to be right next to your new roommate, you can transition these things. And what is important about it is that you can also have a 3D floor plan. If you click on the top right corner, you can put 3D and you can move things around to see how it works. So you get to understand that, okay, I have this much space and this is what I can bring in. So as you can see, I moved this bed over here and this is what we have. If you go back to the 2D angle, and then another thing you can do is, in case, for example, as a college student, I had a extra large memory foam. So I thought, okay, what if the twin size bed isn't big enough? Well, you can enlarge your bed size to fit your needs. Or if you're bringing your own bed and you want to know how much space it would take, you can do that too. That's what I really like about this software, because you have different things to do. And also, it's fun because some people like to bring their own furniture. So if you bring a futon or a sofa, you can add it in too. So by clicking it and dragging it, you can see how much space a couch would take. So for example, this is a three-seater couch and you realize that this is space you want. So like I said, it's important because if you have this floor plan and you work hand in hand with your future roommate or your friend, you can understand how much space you have, what's bringing who, and you're learning on how to manage your living space, especially in the residence hall. A lot of problems we face, especially for new students, is we get calls about, oh, how big is a closet? How many drawers in there? Can I bring my own furniture? How can I contact my roommate about who's bringing what? This solves all of that. And I feel like it's very important. And after you're done working on your floor plan, you can share this on the top right corner. If you click the little prongs, you can share on Facebook. You can share with your family and friends. Hey, this is my new college room. What do you guys think? What opinions do you have? And so forth. You can share on Twitter. And you can send it by email to, like I said, your new roommate, your family members. Or it's also great because if you send it out, you can have people purchase items for you too as a little wish list. But yes, this is very important, and it's very important for the work I do in residence life. And like I said, Notre Dame College is one of the few colleges that offers these options, and I feel like it's something that I would like to introduce in other parts of my work environment. But yes, that is what I wanted to show you. Thank you very much, and have a good day.